Did you know owning just one rental property could be the first step to financial freedom? It's really not that complicated, and I'm going to break down 4 amazing benefits to owning a rental property. My name is Amy Rendy. I'm a real estate investor, wife, mom to twin daughters, and I love to help people get started in real estate. Number 1, passive income and the fact that somebody else is paying down your mortgage. So let's say you bring in $1,500 a month and from rent and all of your expenses, and that would be mortgage payment, interest, taxes, insurance, maintenance expenses, lawn care, everything, all of your expenses total $1,000. That means your cash flow is $500. I can't tell you how amazing it felt when I first started earning money when I wasn't actually trading hours for dollars. So that is definitely number 1. The second benefit, long-term appreciation and building for your retirement. How awesome would it feel to actually be saving for your retirement versus a 401k that could go up or could go down when you know, with very few exceptions, most years your property is going to appreciate. That is another amazing benefit. Another amazing benefit of owning rental real estate, number 3, is tax advantages. There are so many tax advantages available when you own a rental property, even just owning one. You can deduct things like part of your cell phone bill, your mileage when you're dealing with the property, all the expenses related to the property, including depreciation, and that will help your taxable income. So even if you do have a lot of withholding from a W-2, it could definitely reduce your taxes owed for the year, and maybe you'll even get a bigger refund. And benefit number 4, diversifying your income. How many of us have been victims of layoffs or worried about what our company might do, if a bonus is going to come or not come? I can't tell you how amazing it felt, like a safety net for my family once we had other sources of income coming in, and you can too. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. It's not all about money when you're investing in real estate. It's about building a legacy and financial freedom for your family. So if you want to get started, drop a comment below and let's start a conversation.